So after creating, launching, and scaling more than 28 courses by myself and helping more than 160 people do the exact same thing with the knowledge that I've done to their courses from zero, right, to thousands of dollars generated with their courses, I know exactly every single step that you should take to find success with your course. And to be fair, there are actually many different paths that someone can follow to generate more than $1,000 with their course. This is like the first milestone that we aim with when working together, right? The first $1,000. Now, in this video right here, I'm going to share with you knowledge that people pay thousands of dollars to have access to, right? Completely for free. And I'm going to show you 4 ways to make more than $1,000 with your course. Now, keep in mind that I've personally implemented all of these 4 ways in my personal business, in my personal courses, right? Again, more than 28 times, generated tens of thousands of dollars with all of these 4 ways. And I'm very, very excited to dive into this whole system right here. Now, the first way to generate $1,000 with your course, and arguably the easiest way to generate more than $1,000 with your course, is through online course marketplaces, right? It's gonna be the most painless way, the easiest way. You don't need any followers, you don't need any dollars to invest in ads. All you need is a good course, right? A quality course, right? And to follow the guidance that I can give you, right, in my program, because again, there are many different things that can go wrong with this if you don't have someone to teach you how to scale in online course marketplaces. And don't get me wrong, if you start uploading your courses in online course marketplaces, you will find success, just like I did, right? But you're gonna find success in like a longer period of time. Whereas if you follow the advice of someone like me, who've done this so many times, you can find success way easier. Now, in online course marketplaces, I have many different videos in this channel right here, in which I elaborate on how to scale, how to maximize your profit in online course marketplaces. But in general, they take care of the marketing, right? So those are big platforms like Skillshare, Udemy. You upload your course there, right? And if the course meets certain guidelines and certain criteria, they will start promoting your course intrinsically because they take commissions out of every sale. This is what happens in Udemy. On Skillshare, for example, which is another huge marketplace in which I'm very successful there, right? You upload your course there and students pay a yearly subscription to the platform and they get access to your course as well as all of the other courses on Skillshare. So you get paid based on the amount of watch time, if you will, that your courses accumulate. This means that both on Skillshare and Udemy, the one thing that you should definitely, let's say, have in your course, the one box that you should definitely check is that your course needs to be good. You need to create quality content. That's the first and most important thing in this whole course creation process. And keep in mind that when it comes to educational content, quality doesn't mean great camera work and one camera and second camera and lights and all that stuff. Quality means quality of information. You need good information, you need good teaching skills, you need good presentations. That's what matters in this course creation, let's say, niche. It's not about like fancy editing and all that stuff, so don't worry about the editing, right? Online course marketplaces, an amazing way to generate $1,000 with your courses, and honestly, it's expected. If you create courses and you upload them in marketplaces, sooner or later, you will generate $1,000. Trust me, it's not that hard, right? The second way to generate $1,000 with your course is by selling its rights to others. This is something that I've learned after being so many years in this field. I didn't know that this actually existed, but you can sell the rights of your course to other people so they can, let's say, re-upload your course in other platforms, in other programs, right? And that's so cool, especially if you have so many courses like I do. I can have 28 different courses. I get people that message me very frequently that are asking to use my course in their programs. Actually, a week ago, I actually sold one of my courses, or pretty much the rights of one of my courses, for someone that wanted to use it in his private entrepreneurship community. So he reached out, he was like, hey, I've seen your content in online course marketplaces and I'm very interested in actually owning the rights of one of your course to re-upload it into my community, right? And I was like, yeah, sure. And it's also very cool because if you're teaching what you love, right, and others want to pay you to distribute what you're teaching to other people, it's just very cool and it's completely free. It's pretty much air. Like once you create these courses, they're just assets that sit there and you can just list and rent to other people from all over the world. So by selling the rights to others, it's a very cool way to generate $1,000 with your course. The question here is, how do others find you? Now there are 2 ways. The first one is to make yourself public, create a YouTube channel like I've done, or list your course in marketplaces. I have more than 60,000 students in marketplaces, right? Which means that 60,000 people are aware of my existence and they can spread the word to others, and everything's done organically without ads, by the way. The second way for someone to learn about your existence is if you list your course in marketplaces, right? In course marketplaces that sell the rights to other courses. There are actually marketplaces out there, online course marketplaces, in which you list your course, but you list your course's rights, if you will. So people, again, just like this guy that messaged me a week ago and wanted the rights to my course, they can go to this hub, they can go to this marketplace and choose all of these different courses. And trust me, again, if your course is of good quality, or if your content is A-tier content, it will sell wherever you list it, right? There's huge demand for courses out there. This is why this whole business that I've structured is so successful, right? So the third way is to host your course in your own website. Like, obviously, people have been making thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars by selling courses in their websites, right? You got all of these A-tier influencers, YouTubers, they all sell courses. Why? Because everyone wants more access to people, and if you have a way to, let's say, provide value and solve problems with your courses, which, by the way, they do. This is exactly what a course does. It finds a problem in a niche, in a market, in a group of people. It solves a problem with information, and you get compensated for it. And the cool thing is that this course can be distributed for free and reproduced for free, because it's air, right? It's not a product. It's not this remote control. A course is like air. It can be distributed for free through the internet, but it still solves problems. It's still very valuable. And this way you get compensated as you sleep, just as this piece of content gets distributed at like air. Now, hosting your course in your website will generate you more income than online course marketplaces if done correctly. But it's very hard to sell your course in your website if you don't have the correct funnels and the correct structure around this. I've been selling courses in marketplaces for years successfully before I moved some of my courses in my own website, right? When it comes to your website, you need a way to traffic people in this website of yours. That's the most important thing. You need to find a way to traffic people in your website. And this is done by two ways. The first one is using social media, by posting YouTube content for free, right? Solving people's problems for free, and then funneling them to your website if they want more information about your product. The second way is to have another stream of traffic to your website. And in our case, because we're going to be uploading our courses in online course marketplaces first, online course marketplaces and those 60,000 eyes that I've generated in these marketplaces, it's an amazing way to funnel people to your website if they want more of your content, right? So if we work together, this is something that we're going to be applying. Don't tell this to my clients that I'm giving you this information for free. But if we would work together, we'd start uploading courses in marketplaces, we would start generating income from there, right? Completely for free, without ads, without, let's say, marketing, without anything. And then we would funnel these people to our website because we have all of this traffic from these marketplaces because it's very unsaturated. The final way to generate $1,000 with your course is to structure a program around it. And you can see this, right? Structuring a program around your course. This could be a coaching program. This could be a cohort program, right? And now we're talking about way more than $1,000 because your time, your energy is on the line here. So you sell the course, and with the course, you send the implementation of the information that you're giving with the course with your time. For example, one-on-one coaching, one-on-one cohorts, right? A community. If you combine a course with a community, with coaching, with anything that will you help and provide more value to solve more problems of your clients, it will just increase the value of your course so much exponentially, and you will see that people will be more interested in purchasing it. Now, these are 4 ways to generate $1,000 with your course. I've done all of these 4 ways, both for my 28 courses and courses of my clients. And if you're interested in pursuing one of these 4 ways, right, book a completely free one-on-one call with me from the first link in the description. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.